Hello, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to actually do blogs, just in case you haven't had to do one before or you're not familiar with how we do them on Blackboard. So if you go into Blackboard and you see over here on the left-hand side, it says blogs. The blogs that are available that you're going to be working on will show up. Now, this is my screen. So you can see that there's 4 different ones that you're going to be doing in this class. But I'm only going to make available the one that you're going to be working on. But the way that you do blogs, they're fairly straightforward. You just click on the name of the blog. And so you will see that the first screen that pops up is the instructions on what it is that you need to be doing. So then when you are ready to actually create your own blog entry, you just go up here to this link where it says create blog entry. And so when you click on it, it's just going to open up a screen where you can create your own title, and then you can type directly into it. You can copy and paste from Microsoft Word if you want to do it that way. But always try and make sure that your submission is actually in this box instead of attaching a Microsoft Word document, just because it makes it harder to open. It's just an extra step that we're trying to avoid. And then when you are done, you go down to where it says post entry. So that's always your first step, is creating your own blog entry. But then you are going to be required to respond to classmates. So when you look over here on the right-hand side, your name will be shown here. And so you can do it one of 2 ways. So if you click on the down arrow, you will see all of the people who have posted blogs. So then you can just click on one and it'll take you directly there. Or you can just use the right arrow and that will take you to the next blog. So when you actually go in, you will actually see the person's blog, and then there will be a button where you can comment. And so normally you're going to be asked to respond to 2 classmates, and so you just need to make sure that you post at least 2 comments. More than great job or I agree with you. You do want it to be a little bit more substantial. But I just wanted to make sure that you understood how to do a blog. Don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. Just make sure that you read the instructions. A lot of times I'm going to be asking you to post the link where you found your information. And the reason is because I want the other classmates to be able to bookmark that link so that they can use it in the future. I might ask you to put the reference if you actually use like the textbook or something like that. So just make sure that you read the instructions completely and answer whatever questions I've asked you to put in there. But that's all there is to creating and commenting on a blog. So hopefully that will take the stress level down just a little bit if you were worried that you hadn't done one before. So have fun creating blogs.